Good morning, 7:30. I'm all packed up. We're gonna have another, looks like fairly sunny day. It did sprinkle a little bit last night and was pretty windy, but otherwise it was a comfortable night, no bears. I'm gonna have to backtrack a little bit to get back to the main road area because as you saw yesterday, the disaster that happened, the bike didn't want to comply with the trail. So it should be a fairly quick detour and then we'll be back on the main road and then we'll see how far we get today. Everything is damp and gross from all the sweating yesterday from lifting the bike 50 times. Should get warm enough that hopefully I'm not sweating and I can dry out. Hello, dear. Okay, made it out of the dirt road disaster. The last little bit was 15K or so, not very complicated. And now I guess we got some pavement for a little bit. Next stop is for some gas and some food. And we'll see where the road takes us. It's really warmed up. I've been dicking around here at the cafe, had some breakfast, did some phone stuff, and so now we're going to continue on. Apparently there's a abandoned sawmill just down the road here, so we'll see what that's all about. Okay, our goal right now is Lunch Peak. We'll go check that out. 16 miles, not kilometers. Okay, welcome to Lunch Peak. There's the Fire Watch Tower. Let's go check out the view from there. Okay, just descending from Lunch Peak and looping back around. There's some hikes I want to check out and see if there's a good spot to camp. Okay, I'm heading up to Moose Lake. There's the Moose Lake Loop. It says it's 9 miles. So it's just after 1. I found myself a sweet spot with a picnic table at the trailhead. So that's always a bonus. And no picking up the bike today, so we'll keep it that way. I'll do this hike, camp out here, and then mosey on down, keep heading south and see what tomorrow brings. Welcome to Moose Lake. Took me 30 minutes to get here, 2 miles it says. Just a slight incline up the trail. So if it remains like that for the whole loop, I should make good time. It actually heads up Moose Mountain, which I'm assuming is somewhere around there. Doesn't actually go around the lake. The steep has started. I don't think it goes too high, but steep and grueling coming up. That's the peak over there, I'm assuming, so I'm fairly close. And then it loops back down around right back to the lake. This is one of those never-ending peaks. You keep climbing and the peak keeps getting farther away from you. There's the lake again. I'm definitely gonna have to jump in when I get down there. I've done it. The peak of Moose Mountain for the first time ever. And here's my view. Okay, a quick little snack, and then I'll head back down, jump in the lake, and go set up camp. Okay, a little snack, and now it's time to head down. It was 1:20 when I started, 3 o'clock now, so under 2 hours to get up. So should be back down at the lake in no time, and lots of time to set up camp and relax. So these are huckleberries. There's a few around still, and they're good. Very similar to a blueberry, and just as tasty. Hopefully no bear comes by and is upset that I'm eating his winter supply. Yep, believe it or not, this is the trail. Super overgrown. At least, I'm assuming it's the trail. With me, you never know. There it is. And I'm back. I'm suspicious of the 14.4 kilometers it says the loop is, or 9 miles, as it says on the sign. Based on my time of 2:42, don't count the kilometers because All Trails is not accurate in the counting of the kilometers. 4:20, so I got lots of time to set up camp, relax, have some dinner, and then I'll hit the hay. Fortunately, also, I didn't get the dip in the lake because the return trail took me back almost to the parking lot. So no freezing cold water swim for me. All right, that's about it for today. Got myself a little fire going, had some dinner, and now just going to wait for this to burn out and then hit the hay. And otherwise, we had a pretty good day. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.